Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57. Yes, I am on the roll with my reviews. Still trying to play catch up here, but I have another review for you guys from Born Pretty Store. These are Born Pretty Store items. Now, two of these are the Flower Fairy Gels, guys, that I've reviewed before. These are two different colors. I can't wait to try them. They're so pretty. So the two that I have here, one is the Flower Lady and the First Love Feeling. Flower Lady, I've already opened, you know these come sealed, but let me show you what the Flower Lady looks like. Pink base with the pink itty bitty teeny tiny pink dry flowers. And then this one is the First Love Feeling, and this one has a green jelly base with the green leaves, or the green itty bitty petals. And I also have from the Your Sugar brand this gorgeous holographic green dipping powder. Check it out. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, and I have from the Nicole Dari brand this other dipping powder, which is, it has the iridescent glitter in it. There it is. And because I have one of these items is the Nicole Diary, I'm going to apply the dipping powders. I'm going to use these Nicole Diary liquids, the base and the activator. I'm not going to use the top coat because I am going to finish everything with a gel top coat, this Emily No Wipe Gel top coat. Now I have already prepped my nails with my just a temporary base to apply these items for review. So I'm going to start that on my nails right here, and I hope you guys enjoy. So here they are after they're all finished in top coat. I did use a gel top coat for all of them. Oh my gosh, they're so adorable, I think. So this one, I feel like, so, oh, I'm out of focus. Let me zoom out a bit. I think that's better. Okay, so this one did look like it had that, you know, the gel, it had that, the base had that pink color to it. The green one looked like it had it while looking at it in the jar because of the depth, you know, and how much product was in there. But then when I apply it, it's so sheer, it's almost like clear, and it went on more sporadic than this one, the first one did. Of course, I did give it a stir, but it was still the same. So yeah, they're quite different there. Maybe because, well, with the green, maybe you don't want so much as, and you can combine these. Like I could have put this on top of that to give the flowers some greenery. You can get very creative with those, and keep in mind that these fairy gels, guys, this is a builder gel, so it's like you are automatically encapsulating as you are applying these on your nails. That's why you don't go in and apply you don't go like a regular gel polish. It is a builder gel, so you are building, you know, you want to do a builder gel application when you work with those. It's quite different than applying just gel polish. And the powders, let's see, how can I do this? Oh my gosh, I love the holographic green. Look at it. I did not feel that this needed a second coat at all. This is one. Check it out. On my pinky, I went ahead and did two on my pinky because I felt so these iridescent glitters are in there. They're the hexagon glitters. I feel like they're quite big, so maybe on my pinky I didn't have enough nail estate for those glitters. But check it out. So I did finish with a gel top coat. I did file. I felt like I thought I was going to lose some of the glitters, but I did not. It worked really well, and it's completely smooth after I did the top coat. See it right there? You can see the profile. This one there, you can see down the barrel. Now, I will have links down to in the description bar below to all these products, guys. And remember, I have a code IDUK31 for a 10% discount. I do love these products. I think you're going to love them too. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me these gorgeous products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.